Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a what's inside my bag video. I haven't done one of these in months, a really long time, and I saw a couple of you were requesting me to do another one, so I figured I would do one. And it's crazy because I do not have that many items going on in my purse. If you've seen my previous What's in My Bags videos I've made over the years, typically I have big bags, and only up until recently I switched to a more smaller bag, and I've made it work all summer long, which is crazy. So we'll see what's going on in here. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to see what's inside my bag, then just keep watching. So this is the bag that I'm currently using, and I'm shocked because I've gone months using small bags. I've been making them work. This one in particular I like because it's a little bit on the larger size when it comes to small bags or crossbodies, but it's the perfect size for me to to be able to fit everything that I need to fit inside it. And I'm honestly a huge fan, and I'm a little late on this bandwagon. I'm a huge fan of crossbodies. They're just so much easier to wear than having something on your shoulder. Like, I sometimes will have this on my shoulder, but I prefer to have a crossbody. I don't know, but I'm really a fan of crossbodies lately. I just think they're simpler, and plus with these smaller bags, it's less strain on my shoulders. So first, let's get into, and again, this is going to be shorter than my other videos because I don't have as much going on in here, which is actually a good thing. We can get into lip products. So I have, and I actually just recently purchased this. This is my favorite lipstick. I have it on today. It is, and it's crazy because for years my favorite lipstick was MAC Faux or MAC Brave, and I think Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk has replaced it. So for my purse, I like to have the travel size. They sell the travel size that comes with the lip liner as well, and it's a really great price. So I like to keep the travel size Pillow Talk lipstick in my purse. I have the bigger one back there, but I keep the smaller one in my purse, and it's basically just the perfect everyday nude. I just absolutely love it. I'm gonna put more on right now, but this shade is flattering for pretty much anybody. So that's what I have for lipstick. And then next, I mentioned these probably a while ago, but I'm back to using these again. These are the Tarte Juicy, or Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump, excuse me, and this is in the shade Calla Lily. And like, I have mixed feelings about these. I'm not sure if I like the whole clicky pen thing. I don't know if I like that or not. I love the way it looks. It really gives you a juicy effect. I love that there's a little bit of color to it, and it's really moisturizing, but the problem is it doesn't last long, and I can go through this pretty quickly. Like, that's how much I've used, and I feel like I just got this like last month. So anyways, I do really like this, and it kind of just gives your lips like a minty cooling feeling, but they just feel so nice. So I do like these. I think well, there's probably a bunch of different brands, like drugstore brands, that have come out for like dupes of this, but I'll have to check those out. But yeah, so this is the Maracuja Juicy Lip Plunge in, oh my god, I cannot talk today. This is the Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump in Calla Lily. Okay, so next I'm really excited to share this with you, and it's great because it actually fits into my purse. I'm not sure if any of you are familiar with pulsed electromagnetic frequency therapy, or PEMF therapy, P-E-M-F therapy. But basically it's frequency therapy. I'm actually gonna go into exactly what it is, because if I try to explain it, I'm probably gonna confuse you. But this is the Coil Nano. And basically this is going to emit frequencies into your body that have so many different benefits. And it's awesome because this hooks right up to my phone, so I can bring this with me wherever. And if I want to, use the frequencies, I can. You don't really hear anything because this is plugged into your phone. But let me just kind of give you a background of what this is, and I'll get into a little bit more of how I use it. So basically it says that Chi coils utilize low frequency electromagnetic waves based on NASA's research to energize the body cells, promoting benefits like better sleep, enhanced focus, and reduced stress. With over 900 mind-stimulating quantum frequencies, Chi coils offer a simple, powerful way to improve wellness. So this device right here can energize your body, improve your sleep, enhance your mood, accelerate healing, meditation, and spirituality. and increased energy, attract abundance. There's just so many different things. So like I read earlier, there's like 900 plus frequencies. There's an app that you use while you're using this. So basically what I do is I connect it to my phone and I go to the app. So right now I'm in the app and I'm just going to read some of these different frequencies that you can use with this device. There is all-purpose regeneration, cell metabolism stimulator, DNA repair, get well soon and feel better, fall asleep fast, deep sleep, which I use, and I've actually noticed a difference. Again, I've only been using this for a little over a week, but I'm noticing that I am sleeping much better and I haven't really had to take melatonin. I like to listen to this, not listen to it, hold it and have it on right before I go to bed. There's fatigue, tiredness, exhaustion formula, blood circulation. There's just so many different things. If you have muscle pain, if you're looking for success, for wealth, abundance, like there's just so many different things, so many different categories if you just want to be relaxed. All different frequencies. So I definitely wanted to share this. If you guys are interested in this PEMF, Pulse Electromagnetic Frequency Therapy Chi Coil Nano device, I will have, and that's a mouthful, I will have this listed down below, and I also have a 10% coupon code as well. Next, it's crazy because this can even fit a Chomps in it. Now, Chomps are from Trader Joe's, you guys. I actually put this in my bag yesterday because I was running errands and I think we were out of protein bars, so I was like, let me grab this. I love these. So this is the turkey stick mild flavor, and it's got 12 grams of protein, 80 calories. I love these, but it's crazy because they're kind of long, but they still fit in here, kind of like, I mean, they do like, yeah, actually they fit horizontally like that. So I actually love these. And it's pretty sad because Trader Joe's used to be every other week ordeal for me, and it's an every week thing now. So not only am I doing my traditional grocery shopping either at Target or Walmart, I just do it on the app. It's just so much easier. But now it's once a week I gotta go into Trader Joe's as well because they just have so many good and delicious things, including these. So yeah, I'll probably just have to put this back in my pantry. I totally forgot that it was in there. And then next, okay, so you guys will be proud of me because I don't have my big bulky wallet anymore. Especially for these small purses, I'm not gonna be able to fit a big bulky wallet in there. I did try not doing a wallet for a little bit. That didn't work as well because cards, and if I did have money, it could just fall out. Say my purse like flaps over in the car, change and everything could just like be all over the place and I could lose things. So I needed to get some kind of little wallet. So I think I got this at like either like Marshall's or Burlington or something. I love Juicy, by the way. Back in the day, oh, I love Juicy so much. All the Juicy purses and the velour jumpsuits, but it's just a small little like Juicy wallet. You can have it as a keychain, but basically the back is like my driver's license, and then I can have all my important cards in there, and that's it. I have literally like 3 cards in here. I don't need like 10 or 15 cards, and I don't really keep money in here. I can keep cash in here, but you guys know I rarely have cash on me. So this does the job. Nothing's falling out. So that is my wallet. And then let's see, we have my keys. And I said to my husband the other day, I go, I just wish like my keys weren't so bulky and they took up so much room, because this takes up so much room in my small purse, but I can't not have my keys with me because my car won't start. So yeah, there's just no way of getting around it. We have, you know, a key fob to our SUV. I'd like to just keep it on there in case I'm going to drive that, but my husband drives it more. I don't even have that many keys. And then that's Mr. Cody. You guys know I'm not getting rid of him. So yeah, it's just like these keys are just so bulky. Sometimes I wish I didn't have to carry keys around with me, but we all have to. Let's see what else we have going in here. Okay, so I've mentioned these 50 million times. These have been working for, I want to say 5 years. I'm shocked. I paid like $20, maybe like $23 for these wireless earbuds. It doesn't even have the name on them anymore because it like faded a long time ago. But they're Bluetooth and they charge in here, and then after a while you just have to charge the charging port. But I'm not spending like $100 on earbuds, so when these eventually stop working, I'll just buy another affordable pair. I'll link one that's similar to these down below. But they get the job done. I've had these for like 5 years, so they've been through a lot, and they're still working. So fingers crossed that they last. Let's see here. So normally I show you guys my Orbitz Bubble Mint gum. It's like in that big round tub. So when I have purses like this, I'm not gonna have that in there. It like sounds like the whole bag is like shaking because the gum shakes. So what I've been doing, I don't have it in here because I just had my last piece. I take a little Ziploc bag and I just put like, you know, pieces into a Ziploc bag and put it in my purse. And that's how I've gotten around having the big bulky tub inside my purse. If you guys are wondering, I know that's really random, but I have to refill up the Ziploc bag I was using. Okay, you guys, so it's crazy because I'm on the last items in this bag. So minimalistic, it's insane. I've got two so I actually have to put one maybe back in my car. I'm not sure why I have two in here, but I have the Bath & Body Works Sweet Apple Pocket Back, and then I have the Bridgerton Danbury Shortbread. I love this, and these were selling out. The pocket backs of this were selling out, and it was like crazy. I'd go to buy more and they were selling out. I'm not even sure. I think Bath & Body Works still has the Bridgerton collection. I haven't even done a Bath & Body Works video in a really long time, you guys, but I honestly haven't really shopped there in a while. I stocked up during the sale, the semi-annual sale. Fall is already out in Bath & Body Works, but I have not started with any of the fall stuff yet. So in a couple weeks I definitely will, and if I do, I will start producing videos. I can go a little crazy in fall at Bath & Body Works. Sweet Apple is actually one of the fall scents that I really like, but I think they keep it around for like the pocket backs year round. It's just very overwhelming at Bath & Body Works, and now they have laundry detergent or laundry sanitizer. Like, it's just a little too crazy. I kind of am just to the point where I'm sticking to my bulbs, my plugs, my candles, my body lotions, my pocket backs, and maybe my concentrated room sprays, and that's it. Like, I'm not venturing off into anything else because that could be dangerous. But anyways, that is it for this video. Again, if you guys are interested in trying out the Chi Coil Nano for the PEMF therapy or frequency therapy, I will have it linked down below. But anyways, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.